Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FX Pro app. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will search about FX Pro and you will click here. In this window, we will click on first stop and you will click OK. Sorry. You will click OK, then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.